channel. My name is Tina of Dindin's Adventures. I'm a travel content creator. Absolutely love it. Yeah, because but we are working on it. So on the previous vlog in Mpumalanga, if you've missed it, just click on the link up there and then come back to this video. Did some of the log missed the and my mom came here, and ever since, I think my mom influenced me about 10 to 12 years ago on some teachers retreat in Mpumalanga. It was really amazing. Hey, they did a conference. Hey, it was so beautiful. I think for marking, I can't remember, but she was like, "Oh, you need to go to college." Jealousy on steroids, and then my mom said I should. I'm going to do that. So today we actually checked into the accommodation, looking at the video. No, not like that. Literally, I thought it would be like scenic to shoot like my legs and like the top half and just like how cute the shower was, but it wasn't giving. So we're just going to go into my Airbnb app and we're going to scroll through the pictures, and literally it's like a nice quiet house. It's not too far from the mall. We literally drove up and got some food for dinner. I think Pedro's. I think it was probably Pedro's, and we spent about 100 rand food from earlier on as well. And then we slept to finish up exploring. There was I have some footage and I'll show you guys. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoy the content. Don't forget to comment down below what you would like to see more of. I am really working on a plan to get you guys more content, you know, like hire me to do your videography gigs. Officially checked out at Shocks Airbnb. I'm gonna wipe the screen. Hold on. Hope it's better. What else? Yeah, so we're gonna try and chase like a 2 waterfalls, then we're gonna leave Mpumalanga. We're done. The Airbnb is cute. I really like it. You guys can just watch the video and then you'll see it, and then you'll determine if you want to go there. It's about an hour away from Sabi, so you do need to do a little bit of traveling, but now we need to find an ATM, withdraw money for petrol, so we don't get stuck in Sabi somewhere looking for a garage, because there's a garage everywhere here. We're in Mbombela, by the way, now Sprayed, and yeah, good morning. Hey yo, we arrived at Mac Falls. I'm just outside. This thing of having to do TikTok reels and Instagram reels and still YouTube things, it's y'all need to start watching my videos so I can get paid. So I'm gonna TikTok, right? Then I'm gonna do for you guys. This is Mac Falls. My camera's tripod is just a little wonky. Don't love it, but okay. Mac Falls. See, then we're gonna walk in. It is 16 rand. Here's the ticket. Alright, then you walk into this area, so arts and craft area. I love it for us because I never thought we had like you'll go to Thailand and you'll see all these markets and Bali, but I never thought you would have. Yesterday we went past here. Kyatla mom, kesaya mo kolri. Emma. Hey, yeah. So this, it's a medium bowl, na. Mara at home we reka ituro man. This is like 400, guys. And you can get this for like 5. But if you negotiate, I can offer 450. You see?
Thank you.
Arna chelete, mama. Rechabutla retlarbon. It makes it look so pretty here. At least we can drone. They're doing too much. Can you hear the waterfall? Can you guys hear it? Listen, listen. Is it the waterfall or the cars? It's the waterfall, no? Listen, yeah, it's the waterfall. It's the waterfall. Listen. And cars. Yeah. Is there a word for associating places in your country with other places from where you've traveled? There should be a word, right? Because everywhere we go now, we can either like pin it to like a similar place in like Thailand or a similar place in like Bali. And I feel like even in Mozambique, the same phenomena is gonna happen. Is there a word for that, guys? Is there? So comfortable shoes, guys. Comfortable shoes. This is the edge. Rock face. Rock face. We
There's
can
so many
hear
places
it.
better than God's window.
Whoa.
Right?
Those are fighting words, sir.
No, but there are.
Those are fighting words. Fly a drone here, child.
Why you too?
It will not come back.
Oh.
This is how we are nini. This is?
Huh? Is the most anxiety driving one. Not even one. I don't want to even pick up my phone. But maybe let me. Don't forget your handbrake, guys. We are leaving now. So plan right now is to do Lisbon Falls. Lisbon Falls. Then from Lisbon Falls we'll try and see if we can do like Lone Creek quickly, and then we're going home because we are out of petrol. The budget is out of the window. Gone. This thing, that the 2,000 Rand challenge for traveling for a weekend, unless you're not doing activities and you're just drinking, it's over. It's over. My 16 Rand now, they add up. Okay, so we're in Lisbon Falls. They're starting to blur into each other with the markers, but this one is quite special. Let me show you guys. Pretty, no? Well, I wonder the difference now with the other one.
Yeah.
I like this one more. This is still a better piece of wood.
Right there, that's the drone. Woo. Every time we're droning these, we're flying this drone, we're so anxious actually. But it's always like, will it come back?
We are at Franskop Gorge. Gorge. They say it's a cashless facility, so I'm either gonna try and scan to pay. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, we're gonna have to leave. Mutsi Falls is here. We could have seen it, and Muti is that one. And then, but yeah. So I don't know, like, and as because we have cash, we have the money, but my card is blocked, and I called FNB today and it rang for a good 10 minutes, and we tried to go to the ATM and I forgot my login for the internet things. So I don't know. God is saying, he said 2,000, pay 2,000, how much you back for sec. I don't know if your God swears, but yeah. Anyway, so let's try and go and see if this will work. If it doesn't, then we'll just do the last falls and on our way back to Joburg.
And it's recording.
Guys, map, this is your link, this is your pause at any point. It's more informative than anything in the world. It's the most informative thing. Let's show you how we got here. Show me, help me again. We went from Leidenburg.
We came from this side somewhere.
Yeah, we came from here. Then we did Leidenburg, then Panorama route, but we've done it before, so we didn't stop anywhere. Oogstad, we didn't do anything. And we also decided not to do Pilgrim's Rest, right? Then
We went straight up.
but it's not gonna work. We can't go to Pilgrim's Rest from here to Pilgrim's Rest, right?
And then come back this way.
It's not gonna work, so we're gonna choose. Okay, so let's show you what we did. So we did the shoe, then from the shoe we did Echo Cave, then we went to 3 rendezvous, then Lowveld View we didn't do, then we did the potholes, then Panorama route,
We did Berlin Falls.
we did Berlin, we did
Then we
Lisbon,
turned to go
God's
to
Window.
God's Window.
then today we did Lisbon
But
Falls.
today we did Lisbon Falls.
Because we prioritized this one because last time it was,
Yeah, it was weird.
so there was too much mist, so we didn't see it at all. So today we did Lisbon Falls, we had to go back, and then we are currently here. So we are prioritizing. We did Mac Falls, no? We're done with
Yeah, we did
Mac.
Falls. Because from all of this place we moved because where we were living is somewhere.
We were all the way here in Mbombela.
Yeah.
So our thing was, we didn't know, because we left Mbombela, we could have done Lone Creek, Bridal, Sabi, Mac, and then left to go home, or go around and then go home, but we didn't anticipate that. So now we're gonna do Mac. No, we done Mac. We might do Sabi, Bridal, Lone Creek.
We'll do them another time.
Another time. You won't die, bruh. Where are the pools even?
They are on the road going to Hazelview,
Hi.
which was actually closed from here.
It's closed. It's the one that they think is closed. It's fine. So we might do Sabi, Bridal, Lone Creek, Long Tom Pass this way, Mashinini, then we go home. Mashishing, not Mashinini.
So I'm trying. So Mashishing, we have to do this one to get an better.
Yeah.
28.
75 rand. But you see this place here. If I ever vlog from here, no, Guti, I am managed. I've made it in life. For you today.
Why don't you make it time?
Because I'm gonna wear a wig. How pretty. Oh my Gucci. I feel like this hat wants to leave me. I feel like the hat wants to leave me. Please do a video on. Oh, my heart is refusing. Hey, Kesana, this is what I'm looking at, and my heart is like Sissy Chiga, we happy. It's weird, right? So that's where you land after you swam, and we've only seen one lady do it today. Yeah, there's that walk thingy. You can walk inside, which is so cool. Let me see if I can zoom to show you guys.
Another walkway.
This is cool.
Again, another view better than what?
Hi, Mina. I have nothing to say. Here's the waterfall. Love it. Love the 360 view. You getting? Don't look down. Somebody's ziplining. How cool. Seems like the instructor though. Dopeness. Yeah.
I'm getting busy standing here. You're not the money in the car.
Let me.
I don't think
120 rand for these. We are at Mac Pools. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I might drone, might probably not. So please be aware. There we go. So the first falls are deep and they've been cordoned off because people have drowned, like they said. Then the second ones is where you can actually dip your feet in. So we're just gonna try and do those quickly so we can leave. Here we go, first trail. it's like a nice family place. Can throw a birthday here and stuff. Oh, these are the falls that you can walk into. Please vlog on the phone. Okay, this is cool. The moving of the trees and the leaves is so not okay. So ngamampela, if you really wanted to, you could go to. So we are at the picture place and then we're going to leave because we need to go away. Okay. Wow. Witchcraft.
So we're never gonna make it here.
Witchcraft. From where, Kanasana?
We're never gonna make it here. So Macmac Falls is...
Macmac Pools is where Forest Falls is, and it's Macmac Pools is like a short distance from Macmac Waterfalls. So be careful, it's very easy to miss it's like a little, yeah, it's like a slip road on, yeah, right or left depending on which direction you're going. But this is absolutely amazing.
Oh, this is the one they were saying is actually not big.
I love this. You wanna get in, splash on, throw water on each other?
You wanna move it to
dirty?
sus. Yes.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm...
Alright, akunabantu. Okay, siyabo.
On your own.
Hayi, siyabo. Ndotiela noto. That's why you need a Gemini.
So probably the last one for the day. It requires a little bit of a hike, but it looks absolutely beautiful. There's quite a few actually. There's another waterfall on this side. I'm gonna try and show you now. My camera died, so my zoom function is gone, child. But let me try on this side. Right there somewhere, but you can't see it in the GoPro, which is annoying. Things keep moving in the bushes and things keep moving in the bushes. What are these guys? Getting into the say that's been the
taking them both.
what is it growing from? Oh wait, what is this?
No, it's this thing here. Growing from this. Let's work around that.
What is this?
I don't know.
Oh, here is the tree, but the tree is dead. No,
It's a vine.
it's a no. It's just flowers, I think, inside. It's so pretty though. Hi, bruv. Are we on the right path? Oh, we're almost there. Yeah? At least that well, it's downhill. This is not the last waterfall you want to do. This is the first one you want to do in the morning. And not like 8. Like double 10 when people are here as well. It sort of just keeps getting higher. This is the rock. The trail is dingy, child. Got a stick because I'm scared. Rock faces. Guys, the GoPro has gone dark, so I don't even know what I'm showing you. But we are here. Oh! Lord! It's beautiful. But I'm not sure if this hike is worth it. Actually, no, I do know it's not. People actually come here. Go na le dibotolo tsa savannah. So I guess if you want to, you can go down and really just take pictures and chill out.
Funded, play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to